Hii ni white noise machine, inakusaidia kulala ama kurelax, na iko na sounds mingi, iko na natural sounds, and you can also connect to Bluetooth. Then iko na diffuser yenye unaweza weka aromas like lavender and so on, to help you relax and maybe get some sleep. Especially good for people with insomnia ama unataka tu kurelax. So iko na sounds like you can see. I'm adding some sound here. I can turn down the frog sound. I can turn down the river sound, so that I'm only left with a bird and some music background. I can turn up the fireplace. See, I can turn down the music. I can put the thunderstorm. All right. Birds. I can return the frog. Okay. So we are selling this at 5,500. We are located at Sasa Mall along Moi Avenue, Nairobi.